The good news is that you can develop your emotional intelligence at any age. Unlocking Emotional Intelligence workshop will provide you with simple and efficient techniques to start developing and unlocking your emotional intelligence. Participants who already unlocked their emotional intelligence now are able to better manage and handle the stress. For example, workloads, or when they're feeling stressed and frustrated. The second thing they're able to do is building better relationship with colleagues, management, and clients, simply because they become better communicators, and also they're able to diffuse conflicts at the workplace. And finally, people who unlock their emotional intelligence are able to overcome challenges, setbacks, and difficult situations at the workplace. For example, they are now able to overcome their fear of public speaking, and they're also able to stop behaviors that hold them back. So you are one step away to unlock your emotional intelligence. If you would like to know more, just follow me now.